What if I told you there are only 7 dumbbell exercises you need to completely transform your chest? No gym membership, no machines, no excuses. Just you, a set of dumbbells, and consistent effort. These exercises are specifically selected to target every fiber and angle of your pectoral muscles, from the deep inner line to the powerful outer sweep, from upper to lower chest, sculpting a more powerful, more defined, and more functional upper body. But before we begin, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your name and the city you're watching from in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you powerful content that transforms your fitness journey. Let's dive in. Exercise 1. Dumbbell Pullover, the forgotten chest expander. Let's start with an underrated classic, the Dumbbell Pullover, often associated with golden era bodybuilding legends like Arnold Schwarzenegger. This move delivers an enormous stretch and unique activation across the chest, serratus, and even the lats. The pullover stretches your pecs in a way no pressing movement can match. This stretch-mediated hypertrophy stimulates growth through mechanical tension and time under stretch, a proven pathway to muscular development. How to perform it correctly. Lie perpendicular across a flat bench. Only your upper back should be supported. Hold a dumbbell with both hands above your chest, arms extended but elbows slightly bent. Lower the weight in an arc behind your head until you feel a stretch through your chest and ribs. Keep your hips low and your glutes relaxed. Visualize turning your pinkies inward as you bring the dumbbell back over your chest. This increases upper chest activation. Pro tips: don't let your lats dominate the movement. Use a moderate weight to begin with. Focus on slow, controlled movement. Recommended 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps with 60 to 90 seconds rest. Exercise 2. Underhand grip dumbbell press, your upper chest savior. Most men neglect the upper chest, and that's a huge mistake. As we age, the upper pecs tend to shrink faster, which contributes to a droopy appearance. A strong upper chest lifts the entire pec, giving you that proud, powerful look in and out of a shirt. The underhand grip dumbbell press recruits upper pec fibers up to 30% more than a standard grip. How to do it. Lie flat on a bench with dumbbells in each hand. Rotate your wrists so that palms face toward your head. Keep elbows tucked and press upward at a low to high angle. Don't lock out or rest at the bottom. Keep constant tension. Recommended 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Moderate weight, clean form. Exercise 3. UCV Raise unlock inner and middle chest detail. Think pressing is the best way to build your pecs? Think again. The primary function of the pectoralis major is adduction, bringing your arms together. That's where the UCV, uppercut vector, raise comes in. This isolation movement allows you to contract the inner and mid pec like never before. How to perform it. Sit on an inclined bench or lean against an angled surface. Use light dumbbells. Start with arms down and wide. Raise the dumbbells in an outside to inside arc, like a low punch upward and inward. Squeeze your pecs at the top. Recommended 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Focus on form and connection, not heavy weight. Exercise 4. Floor fly maximize outer chest thickness. Let's crush the myth that flies are just for beginners or toning. The floor fly allows you to use significantly more weight than traditional fly movements while keeping your shoulders safe. How to do it right. Lie on the floor with a dumbbell in each hand. Press dumbbells up, palms facing each other. Lower in a wide arc until elbows touch the floor. The floor prevents overstretching and protects your shoulders. At the bottom, keep your elbows soft, not locked. Bring dumbbells back up using chest contraction. Bonus tip: visualize hugging a tree or barrel. This improves pec activation. Recommended 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps with heavier weights than traditional flies. Exercise 5. Leg drive dumbbell bench press, total body power press. This isn't just a chest press. It's a total body coordination drill that amplifies your pressing strength. Too many men bench with their legs flopping around. Leg drive adds up to 15% more pressing power, which means 15% more overload on your chest. Steps: lie flat on the bench with dumbbells in hand. Plant your feet firmly. As you press the dumbbells up, drive your feet into the ground like you're trying to push the bench backward. Keep your glutes and core tight. Coordinate breathing. Inhale down. Exhale forcefully as you press. Recommended 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Focus on maximizing power and control. Exercise 6. Static dumbbell press. Fix strength imbalances. Most men have a stronger side that takes over during pressing. That imbalance becomes more visible with age. The static dumbbell press fixes that. By holding one dumbbell static, you force the working side to carry all the dynamic load. Instructions: lie on a bench with 2 dumbbells, press both up. Hold one at the top while pressing the other to failure. Switch sides. Variation: for extra challenge, hold the static dumbbell at the bottom. Do 2 sets per side. Prioritize control over speed. Exercise 7. Drop set dumbbell press, the chest growth finisher. Drop sets are brutal. They extend your time under tension and force stubborn muscle fibers to activate. Think of this as your final sprint. How to do it: choose a dumbbell weight you can press for 8 to 10 reps. When you reach failure, immediately switch to dumbbells 20 to 30% lighter and do 5 to 8 more reps. Optionally, drop once more with another lighter pair. Finish with body weight push-ups to total failure. Do this as the last exercise in your chest session. 1 to 2 rounds max. Your complete 7-exercise dumbbell chest transformation plan. Session A, power and mid-chest focus. Leg drive dumbbell bench press, 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Floor fly, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell pullover, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Drop set dumbbell press, 1 round. Session B, upper, inner, and imbalance correction. Underhand grip dumbbell press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Static dumbbell press, 2 sets per side. UCV Raise, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Beginners. Perform 1 session per week, alternating each week. Intermediate and advanced. Perform both sessions weekly with 48 to 72 hours rest between. Progression strategy: track your weights and reps weekly. Try to add 5 to 10% weight every 2 to 3 weeks. Add an extra rep to each set. Shorten rest periods for metabolic stress. Training principles to follow. Tempo: use 2-1-1 or 3-1-2 tempo to emphasize eccentric control. Range of motion: never shorten reps to lift heavier. Rest: 60 to 90 seconds between hypertrophy sets, up to 2 minutes for heavy pressing. Why this works: after 40. Once you hit 40, recovery slows, tendons stiffen, and your risk of injury rises. That's why this program is joint-friendly, controlled dumbbell movements, progressive overload-driven, focused on quality, not ego, muscle fiber specific, target stretch, press, and adduction. With these 7 dumbbell exercises, you're not just training harder, you're training smarter. This isn't just a workout. It's a complete system to build, sculpt, and future-proof your chest using only dumbbells. Stick to this plan for 4 to 6 weeks, track your progress, and take weekly photos to keep yourself motivated. Remember, consistency is your greatest ally. Train with intent, recover fully, and fuel your body well. If you've made it this far, comment "Champion Mode" below. We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and being a part of this growing community. See you in the next video. Stay strong and keep lifting.